harvesting some stuff for lunch. These all have blossom end rot, so I got them off the plant. I can use the bottom of them. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll just throw them in the compost. And then some salad greens to make a wrap. And then this is my crowning glory achievement cabbage that's like actually like a real cabbage and like a decent size. And at some point I'm gonna need to harvest her. But I haven't done it yet because I'm kind of tempted to see how big she'll get. But I think we are about to be at that point where she's like, yeah, no, it's time. Eat me. So this is very much my little shop of horrors one. I like it. It's kind of cool. I'm gonna harvest this cabbage though. He's so big. We used a knife to cut the cabbage, and then it was ginormous, and we brought it in the house, and it was full of spiders. And we cleaned it up and cut it in half, and it was bigger than my hand and could hide the ends behind it. Then we sauteed half a head of cabbage in a wok with butter and a chicken stock cube and some water to dilute it. And I broke down the big leaves into the stem and the leafy part of the leaf. Leafy part I'll use in a saute, and the stem I use as a broccoli substitute. Thanks for watching.